Hello, my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at Tom PIT. In today's video, I'm going to talk about lost material in stock. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is lost material in stock, how lost material in stock works in the Tom PIT system, and the importance of having the option to manage and store lost material. In production, managing lost material is crucial for both efficiency and cost control. Lost materials such as excess material or byproducts are outputs that don't directly contribute to the main product, but can still be useful if managed properly. A system that allows for these materials to be stored helps companies account for them accurately and even relocate or recycle them if possible. By tracking lost material as secondary outputs, businesses can maximize resource use and minimize waste. The ability to classify and store lost materials as byproducts is valuable because it turns potential waste into manageable resource. Instead of discarding materials that are classified as lost, they can be organized, tracked, and reused for other purposes. For instance, stored lost materials might be repurposed for different production processes, sold as raw material to other industries, or recycled internally. This approach ensures that every material has a potential value and purpose, making the production process more sustainable and cost-efficient. For example, working in a furniture manufacturing company, wood, sawdust, or wood chips might be generated as byproducts during cutting and shaping operations. By storing this lost material in the system as a secondary output, the company can later use the sawdust for creating compressed wood products as a source of energy, or even sell it to industries that manufacture paper or fuel pellets. This ability to classify, store, and reuse lost materials not only reduces waste, but also unlocks additional value from what would otherwise be discarded. Now let's see how this works in Tom PIT. To ensure that a material classified as lost is stored, you first need to set the lost output material. This can be done in the production domain, under Management, by selecting the Processes icon. Choose the process where you want to add the lost output material by clicking the Version button. Find the correct version and click on the Operations button. Then select Outputs for the chosen operation to open a list of all defined outputs for that specific operation. Choose the desired output and a form for editing will appear. Scroll down to the Lost Output Material section to edit the data as needed. First, select the type of material for the secondary output, for example, raw. Then use the Material drop-down menu to choose the correct material and specify the quantity produced. To complete the process, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. When the operation is in execution and material is classified as lost on the output you choose, the same lost material will now be added to the stock for further use. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on lost material in stock. Let's summarize what we learned in this video. You now know what lost material in stock is, you know how lost material in stock works in the Tom PIT system, and you know the importance of having the option of adding lost material to stock. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.